once when you get to this part, you need to take that off, but be very careful with that. So just go with your screwdriver underneath it, like so, to get that piece off. And just take your nail, maybe, I don't know. Hold up. Just saying, I may have messed up my Joycon. I don't know, but this spring was in there. Just make sure that when you're doing this, you wiggle it, like you go this way to pry open the Joycon, like strap this thing right here, and then you pry open that way. I'm hoping on my second Joycon I can do this a little bit better, because 2 is better than 1. Okay, I'll be back in a second, because this is going to take a while and I don't have enough space for this. Okay, I'm back. This part is a little bit different. So you put the spring into here, like so, and then you make sure the spring is in there correctly. And then you press, you get this down. Oh no, it's spring fell out. Here, let's try a screwdriver. So you put the screwdriver in here like so, so you can get this on. Try to, this is like the weirdest thing I've said that like twice now. Try to get it in there. Okay. I'll try to get it in so I don't waste my storage. Okay, I got this part off. Oh, you can't even see it. Got this part off. Now I got the thing on. That took me a little bit. Sorry for that. But I kind of damaged it. I hope it still works. But we're just gonna put this back on here. You need to see everything correctly. And I advise you to get a bunch of light, because light comes in handy for this. Like, I'm meaning some big stage lights or something like that. It was a joke. You don't need stage lights for this. You can do this by yourself. If you know, if you're a handyman correctly. If you know how to handle tools and stuff. And right now, I am not showing the best skill at this. You need time. Well, at least I'm doing this at night. Okay, almost got it in there. Wait. Okay. Time to put the screws back in. So, we start with this black screw right here. If you can see it, it's right there. Focus. Yep, you can see it. So we put that thing. Okay, so we put this one back in like so. Probably you need a screwdriver for that. Okay. Let me just get this in. Okay, I got it in. Now to put the button in. Oh no, all my screws. Make sure to keep your screws take your screws out first before you do this. And if I'm correct, there should be a right way to do this. Line the button up correctly. Nope, the button isn't in correctly. Let me do. Got the button in, and I just put this on like that again. Come on, thing. Like so. And then screw this one back on. Like so. Okay. I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay. I got like most of the videos off. So we're going to take the screws like so. And just put them in here like that. Take the tri-screws, put them in there like that. Take the green screwdriver, because you do not want to mess this up. And just put it in here. Like so. Also, in the time lapse, I'll show you something real quick with the second Joy-Con. Basically, there's a way to put the Joy-Con shell back on, and it's a little bit weird and a little bit complicated, but I'll show you it. Oh no, took the wrong one. Oh boy. Hope it isn't stripped. It is not stripped. Good. And just do that 4 times to each one. Oh no, put this in here. Also, if your friend has a this is something cool that will make your Joy-Cons a little bit better. If your friend has a Nintendo Switch and you're playing multiplayer with him and like 2 other people on your Joy-Cons, and you need every single Joy-Con possible, this would make your Joy-Cons more distinct and better, because you can see that metal part right there, and theirs is plastic. Also, you could get some purple colored Joy-Cons and then make it even better. But I'm not going to do that with mine. I don't want to. If they had some black ones, like this kind of black, I would get it. This is a video coming up. If I can get it off of this video coming up, because I recorded it with this thing, and this thing is like the hardest thing to get videos off of, so yeah. See if I'm gonna I'm gonna see if I can get the Amazon cloud. That's probably my best bet of getting all these photos off of here. Oh no. Going the wrong way, hey? Okay. Sorry if you can't see it. Press down on it. Make sure that it's actually going down the right way. Not stripping at all. Because if your thing strips, you're basically... Because Nintendo won't replace it. You can probably find a screw set for this online. But they could probably strip, or the heads could probably come off, and then you have a screw stuck in there.
All I understood was that she was the girl I sat up every night thinking about.
Okay, got that back on. Last one, and then we're gonna test it. See how it works. Will it work better? Yeah. Seems like it's gonna work better. Mind the noise. Okay. Okay, the Joy-Con is back on. Let's test it. So we got a switch right here.
When I'm better because she's here.
Just test this. Oh wow. That doesn't come off. It's like its original form. If I even try to shove it off, it can't come off. Okay, time to speedrun this, but I'm going to be doing that in a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, I got everything done. I got the right side, well, right Joy-Con on. That one works perfectly. See? And then I got the left one on, and basically they just fit on. They don't slide off as they used to. I will show you the Joy-Con grip if I can find it. Nope, I do not have it. Okay, so they came off perfectly. It works. Let's open up a game. Let's play some Zelda. I got the DLC like a few weeks ago, so I've been playing that recently. They don't feel as heavy. They don't, like, all it does is that it makes them better. As you can see right here, you're gonna have a distinguishable Joy-Con from your friend's Joy-Con because you have that metal latch right there. That silver piece will be the distinguishing factor between yours and your friends. Man, I am not doing so well. Okay. Show you what I have. That's what I got. DLC wise, I have Ravio's hood. I'm never gonna use it, but it's just there. Island lobster shirt. Xant's helmet. Phantom Ganon armor. I'll show you all of that. A Majora's mask. The Korok mask. And Tingle's shirt. And Tingle's pants. Well, tights. But yeah, this works perfectly. I would recommend it, but only if you know how to do this correctly. Even though it was kind of simple at first, it wasn't. But when you get to the second Joy-Con, whichever one you do, the left or the right, whichever one will be your second, which will probably be your left. But I'm just telling you, it will be good. Well, yeah, it will be okay. Just to make sure that you know how to do this correctly. Do not break your Joy-Cons, or you can't get them back, or you have to pay like more than 38 bucks for them. You have to pay like 60 to 80 bucks just for a pair of Joy-Cons, or just one Joy-Con. So I'm just telling you that right now.
Hi.
So this has been it. Next video will be either on this thing right here, or something like this. I don't know which one it's gonna be. It might even be on the 1 year Switch thing, which I'm hoping that it is, but I've been working on so many videos at once that I don't know what to do next, or what to put up next. So whatever goes up, what goes up, but I'm just hoping that we can I can get out some videos for you guys, and they will be good. So see you guys later, and bye.